So when I was in film school, our teachers started the semester by asking us, stand if you want to be a director. And almost half the class stood up. And then he asked, who wants to be a cinematographer? And basically the rest of the room was on their feet. Then he asked, who wants to spend the day making phone calls, working on budgets, and securing permits? It was crickets. Because being a production coordinator isn't glamorous, but it is absolutely necessary for production. Every role in a production is necessary. So Paul gives a similar pep talk to the church at Corinth. He wrote, if the whole body were an eye, where would the sense of hearing be? If the whole body were an ear, where would the sense of smell be? Much like my class, the church was filled with glamorous and non-glamorous jobs. And Paul wanted the Corinthians to understand that all roles were necessary and important. And it still applies today. The Holy Spirit gives us each unique gifts. When we embrace those gifts, we are the body. We are the church. So all those folks behind the scenes, people cooking meals and wiping kiddos' noses in Sunday school and cleaning the bathrooms and plugging in mic cables, setting up the chairs, they are the church. And the question for you and I to consider is this: what is the role God has for me to play? It might not feel like the most glamorous job, but that doesn't make it any less important.